How to trade futures on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can trade futures on Binance, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you want to learn how to trade futures on Binance, you can open up Binance app and make sure you are using Binance Pro. So tap on the profile icon. If you are already on Binance Pro, that's perfectly fine, or just tap on this Binance Pro option and it will switch you to this tab. Now from here, if you'll just come to this trades tab over here, you'll be able to see different sort of trading. You can say spot trading, you can convert it, and you can do margin trading, and you can also go ahead and do futures trading if you want. Now if you don't know what future trading is, then Binance Futures is a derivatives trading platform offered by Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and it allows traders to speculate on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies by buying and selling future contracts. So basically you lock in a certain contract with someone and then it will buy and sell automatically when you're on the time of that contract. That's what future trading simply means. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.